This bright and cheery cabin-style guest bedroom is packed with fun, inventive design ideas almost everywhere you look. The room itself is covered in a really warm shade of barn red on the walls and the ceiling. And then the biggest feature in here happens to be a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf that is packed with vintage books that we found at flea markets, and we color blocked the entire shelf system. Some are neutral, some are white and gray, and then we have little combinations of color to add some personality. Below that is the bed, which is in a very neutral gray tone, as well as some of the bedding. So we've got a light blue-gray tone, and then more of a neutral blue-gray on the pillows. The comforter itself is almost the same shade of brick red that you see on the walls. This corner over here is meant to be a little bit of a hangout spot. It's a beanbag chair, but it's much more sophisticated. It has more of a tailored line to it. Just above the chair is a custom piece of art with tons of color and personality. And just next to that is the ensuite bathroom, which has little bursts of the same color red that you see in the sleeping area. Then inside the shower, there's a very graphic black and white tile pattern. So this guest bedroom is packed with color and texture and all the creature comforts of home, and is sure to make one guest feel very lucky.